Today we're going to show you how to insert a SIM card and memory card into the Samsung Galaxy S9 mobile phone. To insert both the SIM card and memory card, pop out the card tray, which can be found at the top of the phone using the removable tool provided with the phone or a paper clip. For the SIM card, place it on the tray, gold contact spacing down. Now for the memory card, the S9 can take up to 400GB micro SD memory card. Take the memory and lay contacts down, same as a SIM card. Make sure both cards are in place, take the tray and slide it back into place and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to comment.